In this chapter, let us learn about Java while loop. Java while loop. Loops can execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is reached. Loops are handy because they save time, reduce errors, and they make code more readable. The while loop loops through a block of code as long as specified condition is true. See here, this is syntax while condition, code block to be executed. In the example below, the code in the loop will run over and over again as long as variable I is less than 5. See here, while we are using while loop, it is printed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and stop. Do not forget to increase the variable used in the condition, otherwise the loop will never end. The do or while loop. The do or while loop is a variant of the while loop. The loop will execute the code block once before checking if the condition is true. Then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. See here, do or while loop condition. The example below use a do or while loop. The loop will always be executed at least once even if the condition is false, because the code block is executed before the condition is tested. See here, now we are using do and while loop methods. See, I is equal to greater than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do not forget to increase the variable used in the condition, otherwise the loop will never end. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 13, Java while loop. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java for loop. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.